Hello there friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to connect multiple accounts. So watch the videos carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1. Open an Instagram account. Click your account and click the menu. Click account center and click accounts. Very easy. Other remove accounts from this account center. Removing an account will also remove any profile managed by that account. Okay, add new account. Select the account you want to add. Add a Facebook account, add Instagram account. For example, add Instagram account. We need your permission to continue. Click your continue and is account center. My account is connected. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.